Right now I'm on landflip.com, and in this video I want to share with you how you can upload your land deals to other platforms, how each one of them, how to go through and navigate them, get more exposure for your deals, and hopefully make more profits. Now let's go ahead and dive into this. I'm on the back end here of landflip.com. Here's my dashboard. Just go over right here to add listing. This platform is actually really easy to navigate. So listing type, land for sale, creative title, we'll do one. And if this is the first time you've ever seen a video from me, you're gonna know I'm painfully slow typer. All right, so price. This is going to be a promo deal, so we're going to do $7.99. Price per acre, it's 1 acre, so we're going to do $7.99 over here. Acreage, 1 acre. So we got country, United States. State, going to New Mexico. This one's in Valencia. We don't have an actual street address, so just a legal description. So for the city, got Beelan. What the heck is the zip code there? Do a quick search on the zip code. We're just going to grab this one. Paste that in. Zoning. So this is a tough one because they don't have rural vacant land on here. So I would just do, we'll just put residential on that. Terrain. Gently rolling. Got dirt road access. Parcel number. So here's where we're going to go over here to our listings. We're going to do this one here. Paste that in. Annual taxes, $5. So as you can see here, it's just you're filling in the blanks on most of this. Super easy. Over here, we'll finance it. Now for our description, I am big on just creating templates and then filling in the blanks. So here's my template. So we got all of our info here. Everything's good with that part of it. Let's go up here and change the actual info on it. Don't know what happened there. Just going to grab the legal description here, paste that in. Everything's good. We got our contact info in here. We got our website. Oh, what the heck? It looks like we did a double here. That's what I did wrong. And get rid of all this extra info I got on here. Always double check your work. So here we are. We're good to go with this. We're not giving any directions. Skip over the map. They'll just kind of put your coordinates in place. Choose a photo. Just going to grab this one here. So we got our picture here, and we can continue adding those if we'd like, but we don't need to. Video, I could always grab one of my videos from YouTube, paste that right in here. I'm not going to do that on this video, but I will upload that later. And then files, see what we have in here. We don't need to add anything to that. So then we're just going to go ahead and click turn online, and we're good to go. So let me go ahead and go back over here. Online listings. Boom. So we got 2 of them up. So as you can see on Landflip, it's super easy to navigate and drop these in. The video probably took longer than expected just because I'm a horribly slow typer. But other than that, it's just plug and play, and you're going to get more exposure for your deals. Now, I just started on this platform, so I really can't give you any feedback yet as far as what type of traffic you can expect. But if you wanted to explore this, there will be a coupon code below this video that you can use, and you'll get your second month free when you sign up using that coupon code. So any questions, comment below. As always, I truly appreciate you tuning in. Thank you so much, and I'll connect with you on the next video.